In Indonesia, the sacred month of Muharram, locally known as Ashura, is marked by a variety of rituals and traditions as the nation prepares for the day of Ashura.
Alhamdulillah ala kulli hal. Begitu diajarkan kepada kita. Bersyukur kepada Allah atas apapun yang terjadi.
Revered as a holy period, Muharram aligns with the first month of the Islamic Hijri calendar and holds significant cultural and religious importance for Indonesians. Many Indonesians observe traditions that include refraining from wedding ceremonies and travel. These practices reflect a deep respect and reverence held for this sacred time. One of the most notable rituals is the raising of the coffin in the Bengkulu region during the first 10 days of Muharram. This ceremony is a tribute to Imam Hussein bin Ali bin Abi Talib, peace be upon him, who was martyred in the desert of Karbala. In the ACE region, Muharram is referred to as Hasan Hussein month, a time when weddings and construction are halted. The people of ACE commemorate Imam Hussein's martyrdom through various unique local practices, reflecting their cultural heritage. Palembang's observance of Muharram peaks on the day of Ashura, with gatherings in mosques where food is offered to orphans and the impoverished. This act of charity is a hallmark of the Ashura tradition and highlights the community's solidarity and compassion. In Madura, a distinctive tradition involves cooking a special dish made of rice and milk from the beginning of Muharram for 10 days. Meanwhile, in Clayton, the 7th day of Muharram sees the community coming together to stay awake for 24 hours in observance of the month's significance. These diverse rituals and ceremonies across different regions of Indonesia underscore the rich cultural tapestry of the nation. They demonstrate a profound respect for the sacred month of Muharram and the memory of Imam Hussein's martyrdom, showcasing the unique ways in which Indonesians honor this important period.